Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to add the click to call button in WordPress site. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. After that it will simply take you to the browser, and then you have to simply type in www.wordpress.com in the top search bar, and once you search it, then it will simply take you to the login page. Then simply put in your login credentials there, and once you put your login credentials there, it will simply take you to your dashboard option. And here in the left hand side you have to simply click on the my home option from here, and once you click on the my home, it will simply take you to this page. And from here, in the quick link section in the right hand side, you have to simply click on the edit site option of the first option. Here you can see you have to just simply click on it, and after that it will simply take you to a page like this where you can edit your site. And from here you have to click on the top navigation plus icon here. You can see the blue mark top navigation plus icon, and then what you need to do is it will simply take you to the search option from here, and here in the search option you have to simply type in button. Here you can see there are lots of options already there, but in the search option you have to simply type in the button. And once you type in the button option, here you can see the first option is showing here. You have to simply choose it and drag it to the website that you would like to place, and after that here you can see we have already placed the button like this, and here you can just simply type in click to call. And once you click on the click to call, here you can see it will simply look like this. And after that, once you click on this button, you will get the option of link here. Here you can see something like this icon. You have to just simply click on it, and then here you will get the option of typing the telephone number. Here you have to simply type in TEL, then colon, then you have to simply type in the number, then click on enter. After that, once your customer or consumer or the viewer of the website click on this button, it will simply take you to the phone number that you have given to here. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.